Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get free DSPM certification by Securiti.ai. So free DSPM certification by Securiti.ai, learn everything about the data security posture management DSPM and earn a recognized industry certification absolutely free. So in this video, we'll guide you the step by step through how to register for the Securiti.ai DSPM certification, learn key concept of the data security posture management, complete for the free training and final assessment, get your DSPM certification to boost your cybersecurity career. So why will you take this certification? This is 100% free and online. No prerequisites are required. Learn core concept in the data privacy, governance and protection. Earn a variable digital certificate from the Securiti.ai, a leader in data security company. So official link to register. This is the official link. We'll open this link. So this is the data security posture management certified, and the DSPM fundamentals will be there. So data security posture management DSPM is become the standard to the modern data security for all the eligibility, enabling AI adoption. A enterprise data continues to span across the complex hybrid and multi-cloud ecosystem. So DSPM is no longer optional; it essential. The security equips you with the knowledge to secure data plus AI anywhere. So what you will learn? So why DSPM matters today, fundamental concept of DSPM, core capabilities of DSPM and DSPM versus legacy tools. So this is a free online course, self-placed on and on demand, 15 lessons, one certification exam, created by the team behind the one-rated DSPM platform, earn a certification upon the completion. So you can click on the there, take the course, and DSPM course central is there. All the details you will get from there. Okay. So now we are going to log in and register. If you are the first time user, then you have to register. So you have to register with the this detail, and if you have already registered, then log in with your details. So let me check with the login. I think I am already registered with this. Okay, let me register. Okay, username, password, Chirag tutorial. Yes, let me register. So registration is complete. Please check your email to visit the login page. So let me open my Gmail. So go there and click. So there is a new password. Strong password. So save password. So now let me log in. I'm logged in. Now let me check the verification code. 17. 0576. So backup code, I'll generate it later, not a problem. So this is the dashboard. Now let me open the link again. So we have already logged in. There is dashboard and this is the page. Now click on the take the course. So here enroll now. So 0 by 18 steps are completed. So now you have to complete all the videos.
Welcome to the DSPM course, your guide to securing data and AI anywhere. In today's world, data is everywhere, and it's under constant risk.
Now when you will complete, just click on the mark to complete, and you have to complete all the things, then go to the certification exam. So you must complete all the lesson and topic in the course before accessing the quiz. So when you access the quiz, you will get a certification exam on that. So in this video, we have learned how to get free DSPM certification by Securiti.ai. Step-by-step process I have shown to you. Go through the official link. This is the official link, and there is a social links are there: YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn and Facebook of mine. So join the WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for latest update. Follow the process on in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues and help them to get certified too. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorials and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Thank you.